Enoch and the Book of the Giants. The world before the Great Flood was not as we know it today. It was an age of wonders and horrors, where celestial beings walked among men and giants, born of fallen angels, ruled over the earth with might and terror. The vision of Enoch. High upon a sacred mountain where the air shimmered with divine light, Enoch, the righteous scribe, stood in quiet contemplation. He was no ordinary man. Chosen by God, he had been granted wisdom beyond human understanding, a direct witness to the mysteries of heaven and earth. One evening, as the sky burned with the deep amber of the setting sun, the ground trembled beneath Enoch's feet. A great shadow loomed over him. Mahweh, the son of the fallen watcher Barakel, had come seeking counsel. Mahweh, unlike the other giants, had begun to fear the wrath of the Most High. He and his kin had dreamed troubling dreams, visions of an impending doom, a celestial reckoning.
Wise Enoch, we are tormented by visions. The heavens rage against us. Our fathers, the Watchers, have taught us the secrets of the cosmos, of war, of sorcery. But now they tremble, for even they know judgment is near. Tell us, O scribe of the Most High, what is to become of us?
Enoch closed his eyes, and the Spirit of the Lord came upon him. He saw the hidden things, the great rebellion of the Watchers, their unholy union with the daughters of men, and the monstrous race that was born from them. He saw the chaos they had brought to the world, men devoured like cattle, the earth soaked in blood, the secrets of heaven corrupted and used for greed and war.
The end is decreed.
Enoch opened his eyes and looked upon Mahweh.
The Most High has spoken. Your fathers, the Watchers, have defied the divine order, and for this they shall be cast into the abyss. Their children, the giants, shall not escape judgment. The floodgates of the heavens will open, and a great deluge shall wipe the earth clean. None of your kind shall survive.
Mahweh recoiled in horror, but in his heart he knew the truth. The giants, now terrified of their fate, sent Enoch as their messenger to their fallen fathers, the 200 Watchers who had descended upon Mount Hermon and taken mortal wives. Enoch, caught up in the Spirit, was lifted beyond the veil of the world. He beheld the celestial courts, the burning wheels of divine fire, and the endless hosts of angels standing before the throne of the Almighty. Before him stood the Watchers, their once glorious forms now dimmed with the stain of rebellion. They pleaded for mercy, begging him to intercede before God on their behalf.
Your sins are written in the book of heaven. There is no forgiveness for what you have done.
And then the sentence was given. The Watchers would be bound in chains and cast into the abyss, held until the final judgment. The giants, their offspring, would be wiped from the face of the earth by the coming deluge. Humanity would be granted a new beginning, purged of the corruption of the fallen. With this decree, Enoch was returned to the world of men. When Enoch returned, the earth itself seemed to weep. The sky darkened, the winds howled with sorrow, and the giants, once the masters of the world, felt the weight of their doom. But others, like Mahweh, accepted their fate, knowing they had sinned against the natural order. And then the rains began. For 40 days and 40 nights, the heavens unleashed their fury. And the waters rose, swallowing empires, burying the great cities of old beneath the abyss. The last of the giants fell beneath the waves, their voices lost to the judgment of the Most High. But Enoch did not perish. For his faith and righteousness, he was taken up into heaven, spared from death, to dwell among the angels. It is said that he continues his work even now, recording the deeds of men, watching over the unfolding of prophecy. The Book of the Giants, though largely lost to history, remains a whisper from the ancient past, a testament to the days when angels walked among men, and the earth trembled under the weight of giants. And so, the cycle of history turns, waiting for the day when all will be revealed once more.